So let's take a look at whether HCl is polar or nonpolar. So the first thing we'll do, we'll look at the difference in electronegativity between hydrogen here and chlorine. So if we look at the periodic table with electronegativity values listed, here's hydrogen right here, and here's chlorine. So to find the difference, we're going to subtract these two numbers. So we're going to take 3.16 minus 2.20, and that'll give us 0.94. So that's the difference in electronegativity between hydrogen and chlorine. And you can see chlorine's a good bit more electronegative than hydrogen, so it's going to kind of pull the electrons more strongly. They won't be shared equally. So we're thinking it's polar. But let's check this chart here. So in general, if we have between 2.0 and 0.5, that's going to be polar covalent, and that's what we have, 0.94. These numbers, they differ slightly here, but definitely this is going to be a polar covalent molecule, and the electrons are going to be shared unequally between that hydrogen and chlorine. And that's going to look like this. So the hydrogen's the white, the green's the chlorine, and you can see that we have a more negative pole, that's the chlorine, and the more positive, that would be the hydrogen. So definitely we have a polar molecule here. We have our positive pole near the hydrogen, and the negative, that's going to be near the chlorine. That means the electrons are going to spend more time, these bonding electrons are going to spend more time with the chlorine. So in answer to our question, HCl is a polar covalent molecule. This is Dr. B. Thanks for watching.